All right, here we are again with the brief video to give you the directions on what we're doing this time. I didn't put it for the beginning, sorry. So here, right here is published today and is due on June 2nd. So when you click here, you're gonna go to the, I haven't published it yet because I am recording this video and this video is going to be right here where it says, here's a quick video on what to do. So I'm gonna paste it there. But for now, for this week's activity, you may need to go back to the video from 2 weeks ago, so you can remember about adjectives. And you also need your vocabulary 2 from section 8. It says work on Quizlet 3. So I put the link here, but it says here also you can go to the section 8 and click on Quizlet 3. I'll just give you 2 options because you never know what happens with technology. So let's click on the Quizlet 3. It's going to take you here. You're going to do, again, is this one, aprender, learn, and writing, spelling, and the test. So that's what you're doing. Those 4, and you're going to give me the result for those 4. So learn, write, spelling, and test. So you just give me the results. Remember, do not forget to highlight. How do you highlight? Okay, well, you just select this. Go right here where it says text background color, not text color, background color. And you find a color you like and you just highlight it. Okay. So then you're going to SpanishMinutes.com. You're going to click on Realidades Uno under textbook. You already know I put the steps here, but to make it easier on you, I also put the links for the quizzes. So you just click here and it's taking you to the quiz. You just put the words right there.
Rafael es desordenado.
And when it gives you the score, you put the score. Sorry, I had to pause to sneeze. All right. So we had the first quiz and then the second quiz. For the second quiz is giving you some of the vocabulary that you have in your vocabulary 3. So once you exit this, it gives you the opportunity to write it, to complete the quiz. Okay, so you complete the quiz using those words and all that. So basically the first one is your review. You see, is your review. I don't know why it's, I thought you
¿Cómo se llama?
Oh, there you go.
No soy.
Okay, so that's your review, and then you go, when you exit this, it takes you directly to the quiz. And there it is. You do the same with the other 2, and you're going to send the results similar to this. You just copy this, and you tell me the results. So, notice, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to publish this for a minute, so I give you an example of what you're going to do, because I want to give you the student view. And I'm trying to make this one really quickly because I don't want to be just talking about video. But this is the student view. So when you go right here, you click submit assignment. And then, well, these are my results. I just need to put these 4 first. Right here. And then this 4 for the quizzes. Right below it. And I am going to highlight the answers. See? That's what you're doing. And because I like colors, you probably have noticed that already. I'm going to change this one to another one. Anyway, it's just very difficult right now. Okay, so once I have that, click submit assignment and it's done. that's all the work for this week. I am going to post this. Let's see, cancel. I'm going to post this video in your instructions. You're going to find it right there. And if you have questions, as usual, just let me know, okay? I'll be just one email away for you to contact me and let me know how I can help you, okay? Have fun. We stay in touch. Bye-bye.